The label Holocaust survivor is subjective, ambiguous, problematic.
This one is of my father and his first wife and two of their 4 children, whom of course I never met.
This is something that my parents made when I was born. And when I was born, they really had very, very little money, none to spare. But they made me this little gold disc.
We draw a wide net. The label refers to any Jew who survived the final solution. But who then are the second generation? These people, these children who grew up in the shadow of the unimaginable, and how has their parents' tragedy shaped their lives? This project started in 2013 with a series of writing workshops for the children of survivors. Our goals are twofold: to illustrate through the written word that the effects of the Holocaust continue generation to generation. The Shoah did not end when the camps were liberated.
When I was in 5th grade, so I think 9, we were doing world history, and we got through a part in Germany and they talked about World War II. And I raised my hand thinking this was normal. Well, my grandparents were Holocaust survivors, and all of the teachers, in our history class, you could see the teacher's jaw drop, and everyone wanted to take pictures with her and hold her hand and thank her. And I think that's when I really realized not only did I have a Holocaust survivor as a grandparent, but I was living with history.
Within the writing workshops, though, something else is revealed or obstructed. The ever-present question of identity. Who are you? Where does your identity as the child of a survivor end and your identity as you begin? Is there, can there be a distinction?
You are the proof that Hitler failed, she'd tell us.
This is the second generation. These are their stories, their lives, their search for identity. Their parents were not the only survivors.